Okay, what's going on, guys? VP Roofing here. We're going to be doing a repairability video as well as a comparison video for Brian Leavitt in Orem. The shingle that we're going to be using is the Owens Corning Oak Ridge color teak. So before I put it on the roof, you can just tell that the pattern is completely different. You can see that there's a dark brownish color to it, and this is just completely brown. So it's for sure not a match. Let's put the shingles down just to show that it's not a match. Okay, so you can see that it's not a match. Let's take some photos. It's not a match. Completely different. And this is where we're going to be doing the repairability video. This is where I pulled the shingle out to send to ITEL, and you can see that I tarped it just in case it rained. Let's just take off the tarp. Taking out the tarp. You can also see that there's 2 layers on this roof. There might be even 3 layers, not sure, but there's a 3-tab shingle underneath this shingle. Kind of want to just break it apart to see how many layers there is. Yeah, so there's actually 3 layers on this roof, as you can see. Oh no, I'm sorry, there's just 2 layers. I was confused. But anyways, there's 2 layers on this roof. Let's do the repairability video. We're gonna be putting the Owens Corning Oak Ridge color teak. You can see before I even put it in, it's not the same size, so it's not a match. Either way, it's not a match. Color's not a match, and the size is not a match. You can see that it overlaps by a lot. Even if you cut it, it's not gonna be a proper repair. And let's put it on the keyway. You can see that by the width, it's not a match either way too, because I'm gonna have to lift this shingle up higher to be able to nail it down. And doing that it's gonna cause me to damage the shingle by creating creases. So we're gonna nail this shingle down 6 times. Let's put it. I'm gonna lift it up, nail it down. There you go. You can see that I already caused creasing right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put one more. 6. We also pulled out this nail, so let's just nail this down as well, so it could be nailed properly. Here you go. Okay, so far I caused 1 crease, as you can see right here. I lifted the shingle up to nail it down, and I caused a crease right here, slight crease. Okay, so now that we nailed this shingle down, we're also going to have to nail this shingle down as well, because you can see that there's no nails. There's no nails because we had to pull out the shingle to send out to ITEL, and we had to remove these nails. Anyway, there's no nails. You can see that there's mat transfer. There's wind-driven debris as well. So that's not gonna seal down properly after we're done finishing this repair attempt. Okay, so now we're gonna nail this down. I'm gonna lift it up enough to nail it down. You can see the crease I caused right there. Nail this down as well, lifting it up to nail it down. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. You can see a bunch of granule loss coming off. Oh, that was bad now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put one more nail right here. Lifting it up to nail it down. fan now. Shoot. It's just kind of difficult to nail because there's 2 layers. That's why the nails are not really sitting correctly. This is the 2 layers. Okay. So now that that's nailed down, we're also going to have to nail it right here as well. So you can see that there's no nails. There's no nail right here. So we're gonna nail this down as well. I'm gonna lift it up to nail it down. Lifting it up. You can see the crease it caused. Lifting it up, nail it down. You see, slight crease. So far, slight crease right here. There's no damage, but I did cause creasing when I lifted the shingle up to nail it down. And you can just see that the shingle broke apart, so this is gonna come off over time. You can just tell already. On top of that, it's not even a match. The color's not a match. Let's put this on top. So the pattern is right here. So as you can see, you're not gonna be able to do a proper repair because it's not a color match. It's not the same size. It overlaps a lot. On top of that, it caused creases. The 2 layers. A bunch of brittle shingles on this roof. So this roof is not repairable, as you can see. So, yep.